And then the bell rang. Sudden, sharp, without warning.
Too loud. Too loud.
Have you ever wondered what it's like to be like me? I'm Leo and I'm 6 years old and I love what I can see. Dinosaurs and trains all day.
Headphones help me feel okay.
Mia's always by my side.
She's my favorite place to hide. Lilio's world. Lilio's world. Every brain is different in Lilio's world. Come on in to Leo's world. Come on in to Leo's world.
Mom and Dad, they always know
Exactly how to help me grow.
every brain is different too.
Mine is different. How about you? Lilio's world.
Before school even started, something was already wrong. The tag on Leo's collar. Scratchy, sharp, impossible to ignore.
Itchy. Hurts.
Got it, Bob. All gone now. The school gate. So many children. So many voices. So much movement. All at once. Mrs. Chen gave 4 instructions all at once. Get your books. Open to page 9. Find a partner. Start question 1. For Leo, that was 4 too many. Leo, let's just start with one thing. Get your book. Assembly. Hundreds of voices. Echoing walls. Bright lights. No clear beginning or end. For Leo, it felt endless. And then the bell rang. Sudden, sharp, without warning.
Too loud. Too loud.
So Mrs. Chen took him somewhere quiet. Noise-cancelling headphones, a fidget tool, soft lighting. Exactly what his nervous system needed. No rush, Leo. Stay here as long as you need. Leo wants you to understand something about what school really feels like.
School. Loud. Hard. But okay.
School can be hard for autistic children for many reasons. Sensory overwhelm from lights, sounds, and crowds. Unspoken social rules that are never explained. Constant transitions between activities, and the exhaustion of masking and trying so hard all day long. Group work. No clear instructions, no clear roles. Just figure it out. For Leo, that was the hardest part of all. And then Cody quietly leaned over. No fuss, no big deal. Just a friend helping a friend.
Here, you can start with this bit. Thanks, Cody.
Did you know? Autistic children often process sensory input more intensely than their peers. Sounds, lights, and textures can feel completely overwhelming. And quiet spaces with sensory tools help children regulate and cope throughout the school day. And 2 more important things. Autistic burnout is real, and rest is essential, not optional. And small adjustments at school, a visual timetable, a quiet space, advance warning of changes, make an enormous difference.
So Mrs. Chen made a change. A visual timetable. Right there on the wall. So Leo always knew exactly what was coming next.
Now I know.
Once a week, Leo saw Danny, his occupational therapist. Together they worked on helping his body feel calm and regulated. Feel that weight, Leo? That's your body finding calm. At lunch, Leo found Mia, away from the noise, away from the crowd, just the 2 of them, and finally, calm.
Quiet now. Better.
Better. Yeah.
Rosa and Mrs. Chen talked often, about what was working, about what Leo needed, always working together.
The visual timetable is really helping him.
Thank you for seeing what he needs. By the end of the day, Leo was completely empty. Not naughty, not upset, just utterly exhausted from trying so hard all day long. You don't have to talk, bub. Just rest. Leo wants you to know something about school and about rest.
School, hard sometimes. Rest helps. I'm okay.
If school feels hard for your child, they are not being difficult. Their nervous system is working incredibly hard all day long. Visual timetables, quiet spaces, and rest at the end of the day all make a real difference. Next time on Leo's World, this one is for every family on this journey together. Episode 10, You Are Not Alone. Coming soon.
Have you ever wondered what it's like to be like me? I'm Leo and I'm 6 years old and I love what I can see. Dinosaurs and trains all day.
Headphones help me feel okay.
Thank you for watching Leo's World. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll never miss an episode.